Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1, and we are learning unit 14. It's a beautiful poem with title Girls and Boys. My dear fellow teachers, today under the title of listening and speaking, we are going to learn how to express basic emotions. Before this, I have taught my children how to express joy while playing. I hope my students, do you remember how we learned how to express joy while playing? I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further. This lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. Dear teachers, kindly you may click it, download it, or you may follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. And our today's SLO is demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to express basic emotions. And given emotions are happiness, sadness, anger, etc. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 83, and speak good to people. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Because speaking is a very loud expression, like we express by saying, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, speak good. This is a command. Whenever you speak, always speak good. So whatever the situation is, whatever is going on, you should speak nicely, you should speak good, because better Allah knows we can have different type of situations. Allah did not say speak good when you feel good. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying speak good to people. So we should try to speak good, and how we can speak good in different situations. This is what we are going to learn today. So first you tell me, what is happiness and how do you express your joy while playing? I've taught you. So pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have answered correctly. Happiness is an emotion. And what is emotion? Your inner feeling which you express. So how do we express our happiness? While you are playing, you smile, you laugh, you say different type of words, even your body language, your words, you express that you are happy. So happiness is an emotion. The way we express it, there are many emotions. There are different type of feelings. So different type of feelings we need to express, but we need to know what is the right way to express. Okay? Sadness. Sometimes we don't feel good. We feel sad. We feel low. So better at that time, we should not. When we feel sad, right away say A'udhu Billah. Because sadness, anger, negativity, these are from shaitan. So right away, try to find out why I'm sad. Go to your mama, and if you are school, go to your teacher and tell the reason. This is the reason I'm feeling sad. Okay? And how do we express? We are going to inshallah learn today. That is given in your book. So sadness is an emotion. Anger. Yes, sometimes the things make us upset and we become angry. So we should not throw tantrum when we are angry. We should not shout. We should not yell. We should stay calm. And again, say A'udhu Billah, because anger is also from shaitan. And better, we should know how to express when, if we are angry in a situation, how we should express it. We are going to learn. So every person faces different type of emotions. Sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are excited, sometimes we are sad, sometimes we are scared, sometimes we are feeling low. These are better, this happens with everyone. There is nothing special. It is not special with you. This happens with every person. Sometimes we feel very good and we are very happy for something. We are very excited for something. So when we are happy, definitely we feel good. But when it's something which is upsetting, we should control ourselves. Okay? And we should, at that time, first of all, control yourself, take a deep breath. Maybe you may drink a glass of water and then talk to a person who can help you, who can fix this situation for you. Okay? And talk nicely. Anger doesn't mean now you can shout and you can misbehave. No, beta, no, it's not. My children are not like that, right? Beta, we need to be nice all the time. This is what Allah wants us to do. Be nice to everyone, every time. All right? Okay, so let's see what does your book say about it. Here is a boy and he said, I forgot my lunchbox. And you see, he's sad. Now you see, he's sad for what I will eat. I'm feeling hungry. So definitely he's sad. Oh, I forgot my lunchbox. Now, better for such type of situation, when you discuss with someone may help you. Maybe your teacher may arrange lunch for you. She can say, oh, no problem. Come, I have an extra sandwich I can share with you. All right. So no worries, no need to worry. And you should talk in a very nice manner. Okay. No, don't say, oh, what will I do? This happened. Talk nicely. Oh, I forgot. Go to your teacher. Teacher, I forgot my lunchbox. She will inshallah help you. All right. He's I'm going on a vacation with my family. I'm very happy. Okay, good. That's fine. Now, you see, if someone takes a stuff, usually children become upset. Give my pencil back. No, beta. Yes, it's natural that when someone takes stuff without permission, you become angry, but you have to talk nicely. Give my pencil back, please. Okay. Still, you need it. Naturally, you become angry, but don't show your anger. Okay. Try to absorb it. Are you getting it? Right, beta, you are smart. May Allah make it easy for all of us. I want to play with my friends. I'm bored. Okay, we should not be bored anytime. If you don't have any friend, book is the best friend. Why don't you open a book and start reading? Start just looking at the pictures, right? Though beta, this is also an emotion, but we should know how to handle our emotion, and we should be emotionally smart as well. Okay, this is what I want from my children. We should be controlled all the time. Are you getting it? Good, my children are smart. Okay, my dear students, now let's do an activity. Your teacher will divide class in 3 groups and will assign one emotion to one group. Okay, maybe one emotion of happiness to one group, sadness to other, anger to other, right? And each student in the group will say a sentence to express that emotion. Okay, now let's see. I'm going to check what you have learned. Okay, pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? So, teacher, did they follow the instructions? Good. You see, my students are smart. So, here is a worksheet. Your homework, what you are going to do, this is a project. You will make an emoji chart that's given here. So this is how different emotions are expressed through your face. So this is your homework, and here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you are going to do, you are going to make a short video to express emotions of sadness, anger, and happiness with one of your sibling or cousin or friend or whosoever. So make this video and show this video to your teacher, and teacher kindly correct the students wherever they need. If still they have not learned how to express emotions properly, this is the time we can teach them. So what we have learned today, we learned common conventions and dynamics of oral interaction in group to express basic emotion, happiness, sadness, and anger. So we achieved our SLO to demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interaction in group to express basic emotions, happiness, sadness, anger, etc. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.